The Equipment India Award for the bestseller in backhoe loaders goes to JCB India. Ladies and gentlemen, to present the award to JCB India, I would like to request Mr. Dominic G. Martin, Head Marketing, Commercial Vehicles for APMEA Region, Apollo Tyres Limited, to please come and do the honor.
I'm very happy to be here at the 8th Annual Equipment India Awards 2020 and to present the award to the bestseller in backhoe loaders, JCB India.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. I'd now like to invite Mr. Deepak Shetty, Deputy CEO and Managing Director, JCB India, to say a few words.
On behalf of everybody at JCB India, I would like to thank Equipment India for having awarded us as the best company for backhoe loaders for the 8th consecutive year. I also thank the jury for having reposed their faith in JCB and having selected us to receive this prestigious award. It is indeed a great feeling to have the trust and faith of so many who have been associated with us. The JCB backhoe loader has helped create world-class infrastructure for over 4 decades and is continuing to do so. In our own way, we have been consistently contributing to make an Atmanirbhar India. All this has been possible only due to the support of our customers, our dealers, suppliers, financiers, and all other stakeholders who have been our partners in the journey. This is also a huge encouragement for the people who work in our factories and supply chains, without whom this could not have been possible. It would have been a pleasure to meet everybody in person, but with the ever-evolving new normal, I guess we'll have to leave that for some other time. Till then, seeing you all virtually is the only recourse, I guess. I compliment Pratap and his team for their strong support to our industry. Pratap, you have been a long-standing friend for us. Thank you once again and all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Shetty.